HTML5 tutorials for beginners. Address element. So let's take a look at the address element. Let's paste some sample text here. And let's just make sure that it's just within the body tag. Let's save this document and preview it on our browser. That's just text. It doesn't mean anything. But now we have access to the address element. All we need to do is simply create a tag, call it address, and close it. Now when this is rendered, semantically it actually means something. It can, like looking at that, we can say, you know what, that may be an address, for example, right? Now, since we're dealing with HTML5, and since you're learning from Rankia tutorials, just realize that this is rather very basic level of using the address element, because I'm going to show you a sample address block regarding perhaps a local business or an organization. And because on internet there are millions of local businesses, so let me show you a sample code block up to here. Now within it I am actually using the address element up to here, right? But since we're talking about semantics, you also have access to structured data, which we will cover in coming video tutorials. Now looking at this address element, user agents or search engines and so on, they can now look at that and say, that's an address for an organization in this example, or a local business. As you can see, although we've been looking at the basics of HTML5 tags, because these tutorials are for beginners, but I want you to expand your understanding about semantics and how we need to use HTML5 for what it's worth, because it is very powerful in terms of everything: accessibility, usability, if you're focusing on search engines, search engine rankings, and so on, because we are using HTML5 elements. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.